Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Toyota 86 GT Coupe, stock reference number 4571. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. We have the right-hand fog light. Left door has multiple dents, good private. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. With the left-hand tail light. Boot lid appears to have no damage, non-spoiler type. Right-hand tail light. Rear bars in average condition. Does have some light grazes on the right-hand side. Right rear 16-inch, quarter rim rashed with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and red cloth interior. Got a manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.